I've been ill for about 15 years.
With what?
Well, I found out it's Lyme disease. My symptoms were pain and joint swelling, and the doctors would test for arthritis, but it never, the tests were never positive. But they would try to go ahead and treat me anyways. And they even wanted to do surgery on me, exploratory surgery on my knees. And so I kind of had just decided that it was something I had to live with, and the doctors didn't have any good answers. So my wife works for a chiropractor, and he was doing some training on homeopathic injections. And through the course of that training, he learned about Lyme disease and learned about the West Clinic, and suggested that I come up here and look into it. I was in a wheelchair when I first came in. I couldn't put any weight at all on my legs. I had no strength in my legs, and in pretty severe constant pain. I saw Henry first. He talked to me a little bit about Lyme's disease and what it was, and then gave me a blood test to confirm that it was Lyme's disease, and gave me my first treatment on a Friday. My second treatment was on a Saturday. I had to return to Utah to work, and after that second treatment, I was well enough that I was out of the wheelchair. And then I came back up for some more treatments, and after my sixth treatment, I was feeling really well. I went back home and had a little bit of a relapse, a little bit of a backslide, and so I came back. And this is my second treatment of this series, and I'm feeling better. Today was my ninth treatment. Before the treatment, before I found the West Clinic, I was extremely depressed because I was looking at being 40 years old and in a wheelchair, being out of a job, being on disability, and with these treatments, I feel like there's hope that I'm going to be able to keep my job, I'm going to be able to keep my lifestyle, and things are going to be back to normal for me, essentially. I'm very hopeful, very excited actually, about being able to just get up and walk without having pain, and being able to get a full night's sleep.